Imagine an explosion so powerful that for a few seconds, it outshines every star in its entire galaxy. Now imagine it happens because two dead stars, each no bigger than a city, slam into each other at incredible speeds. But what would actually happen if two neutron stars collided? And what if Earth was nearby? First, let's understand what a neutron star is. When a massive star runs out of fuel, it explodes as a supernova. What's left behind is an object so dense that a single teaspoon of its material would weigh around 1 billion tons on Earth. Even though a neutron star is only about 20 kilometers across, it can contain more mass than our sun. Think about squeezing the sun into the size of a city. Now imagine two of these cosmic monsters orbiting each other. As they orbit, they slowly lose energy by producing gravitational waves, tiny ripples in space-time predicted by Albert Einstein. Over millions or even billions of years, they spiral closer and closer together. Then, everything changes. In the final seconds, they circle each other hundreds of times every second. Suddenly, they collide. The impact releases an unbelievable amount of energy almost instantly. The explosion, called a kilonova, is among the most powerful events in the universe. The collision also sends enormous gravitational waves racing across space at the speed of light. Here's something incredible. Many of the heavy elements we treasure on Earth, like gold, platinum, and uranium, are believed to form during these violent collisions. The extreme temperatures and pressures allow atomic nuclei to capture neutrons incredibly quickly, creating elements that ordinary stars cannot easily produce. That means the gold in your jewelry may have been created billions of years ago when two neutron stars smashed into each other. In a very real sense, some of the atoms around you were born in one of the most violent events in the universe. Fortunately, neutron star collisions are extremely rare near Earth. But if one happened too close, the intense burst of gamma rays could damage Earth's ozone layer. Without that protection, dangerous ultraviolet radiation from the sun would reach the surface more easily, threatening many forms of life. Thankfully, the nearest known neutron star pairs are far enough away that they pose no immediate danger. So while these collisions are unimaginably powerful, they're also safely distant. In 2017, scientists made history by detecting both the gravitational waves and the light from a neutron star collision for the first time. It confirmed decades of predictions and helped explain where many of the universe's heavy elements come from. So the next time you see a piece of gold, remember, it may have been forged in the spectacular collision of two neutron stars billions of years before our solar system even existed. The universe doesn't just create beautiful things. Sometimes it creates them through unimaginable violence. If you enjoyed exploring the universe with us, subscribe for more mind-blowing space and science videos every week. And tell us in the comments, which cosmic event should we explore next? A black hole collision, a gamma ray burst, or something